This is pen spinning. And this is me. Today I'm going to show you how to do this. First of all, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Tutorials are probably one of, if not the worst things for actual improvement. Don't fall down tutorial hell consuming endless tutorials and spoon-fed instructions. We're here to learn how to teach ourselves, so we won't have to keep asking for a tutorial for that new trick we saw. Instead, we'll be able to just copy it. While tutorials might seem helpful, relying solely on them can slow down your progress in pen spinning. Being good at pen spinning isn't just about learning individual tricks, it's about developing the skill to copy any trick you see. And that's what we're focusing on in this video. First of all, if you don't have a pen already, get yourself a pen or pen-shaped object if you actually want to learn this, preferably as balanced as possible, and generally the longer the better. We're going to be going over real-life situations that you should practice right now. First, let's cover the basics, the 4 fundamental tricks: thumb around, charge, sonic, and finger pass. Take your time to understand these fundamentals and replicate them precisely. Pause, slow down the video, and copy to the best of your ability. Notice where the fingers are in the starting, middle, and ending positions. Notice how it's being pushed, where the pen goes, and how much of the pen is on each side. This is a big one for the thumb around. If you want to learn your fundamentals, all you have to do is copy these tricks. You will drop it. It will be annoying, but that is necessary. This is not an easy hobby. It takes time and dedication, so if you don't really want it, maybe it's not for you. If you really want verbal aid for your fundamentals because you've been trying them for such a long time, check out my 4 fundamentals video as a last resort. I won't ever make another video with verbal aid like that because it ultimately holds you back beyond the fundamentals, but they're okay if you're just learning your fundamentals. Once you've learned the fundamentals, you could go down several routes. You could either try linking them together to eventually learn how to make combos. To do this, you perform a trick, see what finger slot it ends in, then think of another trick to do from there. Then you would just try to perform the trick smoothly with 0 pauses. Or you could learn the reverse variations of the fundamentals to broaden your trick library. Also try learning the tricks with your palms down, as it changes the trick a lot. After you learn some reverses and have linked some tricks together, you could learn some other tricks like Infinity, Neosonic, Twisted Sonic, Back Around, and Index Around. Ensure you're comfortable with the fundamentals before moving on to more advanced tricks. Now let's talk about modifiers. Reverse and inverse specifically. Understanding these modifiers unlocks a whole new realm of trick types. Once you know some tricks, one of the best things you can do to improve is to copy linkages from spinners you like. Just find some videos of combos or linkages you like and try to do them. The first few times will probably take a long time spent pausing, seeing where the fingers are, then trying to replicate it. To be honest, I still spend most of my time copying linkages by pausing, seeing where the fingers are, and what the tricks are. Pausing and using slow motion videos never really goes away when copying tricks and linkages. As you progress, consider joining pen spinning communities like Discord servers. Here you can talk with other spinners, ask questions, and get immediate feedback about anything you may be curious about. Where can you join these communities? The best place as of 2024 is Discord. There are several servers, some of which include the Workshop, the Pen Spinning Reddit server, International Pen Modding Community, Fen Spinner, Planet, and Spindies. Here you can also play Takons, which is basically a trick chain combo making game, where you add a trick, then another spinner adds another trick, then another spinner adds another trick, depending on how many spinners are playing. Then the whole cycle continues. The final spinner remaining is claimed the victor. The best way to improve after that is to make your own combos. This forces you to think about structure, theme, and effect, as well as a list of other things. Participating in tournaments is a surefire way to force yourself to create combos. Participating in my first tournament is definitely when I saw the most improvement. I would spend hours trying to get the perfect recording of it. This is where my perfectionism actually helped me improve, because I was so obsessed with getting the best result and the best execution after linking the hardest tricks I could think of. The positive feedback of winning also really pushed me forward, increasing my confidence and work ethic with spinning. If you like this video, let me know and feel free to check out my other videos too. If you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.